In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to ClickUp. Whether you're brand new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will get you signed in and ready to work in just a couple of minutes, with clear explanations and a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the ClickUp login page. A stable internet connection helps avoid timeouts, so make sure you're online and everything's running smoothly. If you plan to return often, consider bookmarking the page so you can get back here in one click next time. On the login screen, start by entering the email address associated with your ClickUp account. This is important because your email is your unique identifier in ClickUp. Take a second to double check for typos, especially in the domain and any dots or dashes. If you manage multiple inboxes, be sure to use the one you originally used to sign up, or the one your organization assigned to you. Next, type in your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so watch out for capital letters, numbers, and any special characters you included when you created it. If you're on a trusted device, the show option, when available, can help you verify what you're typing. Accidentally left caps lock on? That's a common cause of failed logins, so it's worth a quick glance. If your password slips your mind, don't worry. Use the Forgot Password link on the page to securely reset it and get back on track. Once your email and password are entered correctly, click the Login button. ClickUp will quickly verify your details. If everything matches, you'll be taken right into your workspace. If something doesn't look right, recheck your entries and try again, or complete any on-screen verification prompts you might see. After you're in, you'll land in your workspace, which is the hub for your projects, tasks, and collaboration. Think of it as your command center. You'll see what's due, what's new, and what needs your attention. From here, you can review your priorities, plan your day, and jump directly into the work that matters most. A couple of quick tips to keep your login experience smooth in the future. Bookmark the login page. Consider using a reputable password manager to store strong, unique credentials, and avoid staying signed in on shared devices for security. That's it. You're now ready to make some real productivity and organizing moves. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more bite-sized guides. Thanks for watching, Cheerio.